Hello. I am Niharika, and today we'll talk about listening. Very simple, right? Everybody knows what is listening. So, let's explore the deeper meaning of listening, or why do we have ears to listen as one of our very active senses that has been gifted to us. So, basic difference. What is the difference between hearing and listening? Hearing means you are hearing to something or somebody or watching something, and that voice goes into your one ear and goes out from other ear. You don't process that. But you know what? That thing that you're hearing, it goes into your what? It goes into your unconscious mind, because you're unconscious, you're not attentively listening, right? But it is still going. You listen or not listen, it is processing. Now, what is listening? Listening means you're very conscious about what you're hearing, and you're taking that in, and it is going into your conscious mind, and that conscious mind is processing the information that you are listening to. Now, how listening is a skill? Nice question, right? So, listening is a skill because when you listen to something very attentively, you are able to understand that. So, understanding is very important. So, listening gives you a power of understanding. So, to explain you the depth of it, I would take an example. So for example, two people are in an argument. What we generally do is, we don't listen to the person, we are not quiet. We break the views of the person who is speaking, and we start to speak without listening. And that what does that do is, it complicates what the other person is speaking, and we are not able to process that properly. So for example, if you are listening, you will stay quiet, you will stay calm, and you'll try to understand what the other person is trying to tell you. Irrespective of anything or whatever the other person is saying, you'll be able to ease out on the conversation that you're fighting, and you'll not get angry, or you'll understand the essence of that conversation. So your argument is gone. So this is how you cut off your argument. And if you're not able to process that whole thing at that moment, at that time, what you'll do is, you'll take all the information, whatever the person is speaking about, and you'll try to process it after some time. Completely okay. But you are into the mode of understanding and not arguing, or not giving the person something that will irritate the other person. So this is why listening is very valuable. Another example, you know what? When I was a student, or you are a student, or wherever you are, if somebody is teaching you, and if you are very attentive, things will be very clear in your mind. And when you open the book to make notes or read that topic again, 50% of the things would be already clear. So you are saving your time, and you have to just work on the other 50% to remember or memorize that stuff. Even memorizing is possible when you are good, attentive listener. So this is how listening is a skill. Now, why I'm talking about listening today? Why this? The reason is because if you are a very good listener, you can help yourself increase your memory first and polish your memory. So a brain, it is made up of white matter and gray matter. Now gray matter is what? Gray matter helps you to process the data, and white matter helps you to communicate and dump that inside the body, and that is how your white matter and gray matter is important. Now, gray. as the name says, our brain cells tend to rust because we don't use a complete brain. It's very rare that we use a complete brain. So if you don't make your brain very, very active, it will go on to rust and the gray matter will increase. So how to polish that gray matter and let that be ever green? Enhance your listening skills. Now once you enhance your listening skills, what will happen? You will not be making notes or writing everything when you go into a lecture or attend a meeting. You will be having the main focus on the things that you really have to grab from that meeting or that lecture, and it will be in your mind, and it will be very useful to you. So other thing is, when you tend to listen, you'll be able to talk to yourself very, very positively, or you will be able to understand like what's happening in your mind. So that is why listening is a skill. So for example, I try to make a plan about making a company or what I have to talk about today. Very little basic example. If I have listened to a lot of people, or I've observed myself, or I've observed my thoughts, or listened to my own thoughts, I know half of the stuff. The only task that I would be left off will be only to put everything in sequence. That's the only thing. So listening is a gift to everybody, because when you sit with yourself in silence, or when you meditate, or you're very quiet, what happens? You're able to listen to that subtle voice that is coming from your inside, and that subtle voice will make you aware of the things that you're not aware of, because your mind has collected a lot of data, and it will start to speak to yourself whenever you want to understand something, or whenever you want to plan something. So for example, I go to the market and my mom tells me bring so and so stuff, right? And I listen to her very, very properly. I go to the market, I don't make any grocery list, but in my mind I know this is what my mom has told me to bring home. But if I don't listen to her properly and my senses are not very active, I'll go to the grocery store and at that moment I'll call my mom and I'll say, Mom, you said me something to bring and I'm forgetting what to bring, right? This is a very normal, common example that everybody faces in their own daily life, right? So if you polish your listening skill, you will be able to hear your own voice. You will be not resisting anything that's coming to you, but you will be very actively listening to what is required for you, and your mind will pick up only those things where you have to put your focus on. It is called automatic focusing. So how can you enhance your listening skill? A very simple example is play music in your phone, right? You do it every day. Don't change the music in 5 seconds or 1 second. Listen to that whole playlist till whatever time you want to listen. What will it do? First of all, it will remove your restlessness, because there are so many people in the world that change the music in 2 seconds or 5 seconds because they don't like it. It's okay, but when you do it very, very often, it makes you restless, and this is how you can check, are you restless or not? So if you want to enhance your listening skills, first of all, listen to that playlist and just keep on listening. Don't think or don't put your mind what are the wordings or things. Your mind will get automatically focused on the words of the music, because you are actually listening by your conscious mind or your unconscious mind. That's one way to improve your listening skills. Second way is, wherever you go, if you're in a meeting or if you are in a lecture where the professor is teaching, just sit quietly. Listen. Don't make notes, don't write anything. Just listen. Do this for a few days. After few days, what you will notice is there is a change in the perception of the information that was going before and now. So until unless you will do it, you cannot observe yourself. The third thing is very easy, just go for a walk. Listen to the noise of the barks of the dog. Listen to maybe the birds which are chirping. Listen to the sound of the water. That will also enhance your listening skill. Fourth thing that's coming to my mind is, you take shower every day, right? It has what? Healing sound of water. You can even put on music when you are taking a shower. But you are listening, right? So just listen. Don't do any action that time. Or talk to the person and just listen. Take that information inside. And when you take everything inside, you will start to notice after few days, it will happen after few days, that you're enhancing your listening skills. And this will help you when you are in your own thoughts, when you're sitting idle, or when you're planning something very big. Everything will be in your mind. Half of the work would already be done. The only thing you would be doing is how to put everything in sequence, or maybe 10% of the work. So listening in today's world is a very important skill. It has been gifted, but if you work on it every day, little by little, it will really help you to enhance your senses. And once your senses are enhanced, it will help you to stay in the silence zone or cut off the arguments that you have every day. And it will help you to pick the right information from the right people and discard what is not required for you. And by picking and choosing, you will be giving the right mental diet to your mind, and your actions will convert into positive actions. You will not do actions which will waste your time. So listening is important because you got to listen to yourself. So start to embrace your listening skill, enhance and polish your listening skills, and it will calm down your mind. It will help you to sit calmly with yourself, because we don't sit with ourselves, we sit with other people, because we think other people will have our answers. No, you have your answer because you are the best person to know yourself. You will know your weaknesses, your strength. The other person will not, until unless the other person knows you in and out. Parents, yes, they know your weakness and strength, but then also you have to listen. If you don't listen to your parents who have been watching you from your childhood, it will actually not help you to grow. So if you want to grow, and if you want to really know yourself and work on yourself, enhance listening. So today, a very simple topic, but very important. So today we have understood the importance of listening. Every listener is a very good person or is very successful in their life. Mark my words, because this is something that you have done from your childhood, which is naturally present, but you have never noticed it. So if you start to notice it and get aware of your listening skills, it will help you leaps and bounds, and you can cross a lot of things in your life as it is, because you have started to listen to yourself. This is your ultimate goal. Listen to yourself, because there is a voice which is speaking inside you, and that voice is active. But to catch that voice every time, every second, you have to be a listener, because when you start to listen, your mind would be calm or silent, and in stillness and in silence you will get your answers of anything or any anything that is happening in your life. Maybe you're looking for answers for a problem that came into your office. Maybe you're looking for something which is related to your family or how to earn money. Those ideas would start to process and your internal voice would activate. So listening, again, it's important. So everybody of you, thank you so much for listening, and stay blessed, stay healthy. I'm Niharika from Karbhala to Hobhala, and I'll share whatever I know because I want to help you all and I want you to grow. So happy growing, happy learning, and yes, keep listening. Right now you were listening to me, right? Thank you for listening, because you are processing what I am saying, and you will process what I am saying, and it will mean to you a lot. So thank you for listening. Take care. Bye for now.